Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I actually have a non-chili video for you today. Woohoo! Don't get too excited. I have a chili video for you today later on as well. But I found the world's loudest fake crier in history. Like, this girl is just, I mean, if she just went a note higher, I think she might break the sound barrier. Like, this is just insane. The way she's crying because of an accident. And then before the police can even ask her if she's been drinking, she comes right out and admits that she was drinking and driving. So it's actually amazing. If you're wearing headphones, turn down the volume. You will go deaf. Hope you enjoy the video.
I wrecked into this car.
Go on the sidewalk.
No,
Step on the sidewalk.
just take me.
Where's your license, insurance, and registration?
I mean, seriously, the way that she was crying and squealing, I thought maybe there was a child in the car or another adult in the car that was injured, but no, it's just her.
Is this your car?
Oh my gosh,
Is this your car? Pardon? Do you care who tows your car?
yes, I do.
Who do you want to tow it?
Whoever can.
Sorry? Who do you want to tow your car? Quit screaming at me. Quit screaming at me. Who do you want to tow your car?
I'm trying to figure out if she's just squealing to squeal or if she's actually crying, because I'm not seeing any tears on her face, no wetness, no lines of crying. It's just pure squealing at this point. I don't know how this officer is able to deal with it.
217, on call, 1046. Ma'am, you still stay on Mesa? Put your hands down and talk to me.
No, please don't. Please
Don't what?
Take me to jail forever.
Why would I take you to jail forever?
I know, but that's what the judge.
Okay, that one cop is enjoying this a little too much, but it's hilarious the way he's laughing. And if you noticed at the start of the video, there were people right there, but her squealing was so loud, she literally emptied that whole street. Like, they just took off.
Gonna say.
Why? Stop. Stop.
Probation.
What are you on probation for?
Assault and property damage over 500 damage.
Okay.
I just lost my life forever. What's going on? I just wrecked into the car. I'm gonna lose my life forever here. What happened? I was driving and drinking. I just want to go.
Well, hey, at least she admitted it. I mean, most people, they have to drag it out of them if they've been drinking. And most of the time, they're hauled off to jail and never even admit it because they're still saying, I didn't have anything to drink today. Yeah, you can clearly see and they can smell that they have alcohol on their breath. This one right here is like an officer's easiest job. She admitted it. The accident's right there. The only issue is the loud-ass squealing. I don't know how they're dealing with it, but at least she squealed it that she was drinking and driving.
I want to go to Sunrise. I don't want to go to Sunrise.
Is your rookie done a 47 yet?
No, that's why I was trying to tell you over there that we took 47.
Okay. Oh, she's.
Sure, let the rookie deal with this woman so that he'll quit the next day because he'll be so afraid to deal with the public anymore after this one right here. I promise the rookie, not all of them squeal to the point where they're breaking the sound barrier with no tears coming out.
Admitted that she was drinking and driving.
Oh, good.
So.
Oh, no. Please, no.
She's just. Hey.
No. I'm going to go to probation.
Amanda.
My God, she sees EMS standing there and she acts like she's about to die, like the freaking Grim Reaper is standing in front of her. They've been there now for a minute or two. Obviously, she finally opened her eyes and they're standing in front of her and she thought death was there to greet her. I've never seen anybody so insane. We've seen a lot of whack jobs getting arrested. But this girl here just, she takes the cake.
Amanda, hush. They're EMS. They're here to make sure you're not hurt.
But you're going to put me in jail.
They won't.
This doesn't not my deal. I just need to talk to you, make sure you're okay. Okay? One step at a time. You're going to put me in jail.
You know what? Forget tornado alarms. They don't need those anymore. Record her squeal and then sound it if there's a tornado. Done.
Okay? Because I can't hear you, nor do I understand you. You're yelling. I'm not putting you in jail, but I can't understand you if you keep yelling and screaming and crying, because this is not my problem. I just need to know that you're okay.
How much she
I mean, realistic. Are you
hasn't said
okay?
she's.
Do you have any medical injuries?
No.
Do you know what year it is?
2002.
Not correct.
2002.
It's not 2002.
2022.
There you go. What city and state are you in?
Rosalind, Mexico.
What's your name?
I'm at the bed.
How many dimes in a dollar?
10.
Perfect. Okay. No patience.
All right, come here.
She said it's 2002. She first started to say it was 1980 something, then changed it to 2002, and only realized it was 2022 at the time when they said, nope, wrong. But did you notice the change of everything? When she realized she was speaking to EMS and not police officers, the squealing and fake crying completely ceased, and she started acting, well, at least talking like a decent human being. But the minute EMS walks away and the cops start talking to her again, yeah, everyone within a 5-mile radius thinks there's a tornado on the way.
Amanda, do me a favor, tie your shoes. Tie your shoes. I need you to tie your shoes. It's Amanda, right?
Oh, my life is over.
How much have you had to drink?
I had 2 shots.
2 shots?
Yeah. I don't know.
You don't know when you had 2 shots?
Yeah, 2 shots in my ass.
My life is over. It doesn't matter.
Are you driving this car?
Yes, I will.
Alright, Amanda, just tie your shoes for me.
And then what?
Just tie your shoes. That's what I want you to do right now.
But you guys are going to put me in jail.
We run her and the call.
You guys are going to put me in jail.
We have one other shoe to tie. Amanda, tie the other shoe. Well, because I don't...
Well, it kind of matters because when they do handcuff you and walk you to the back of the patrol car there to take you to jail, they don't want you face planting onto the sidewalk because your shoelaces are untied. Then they have to call EMS back out to take care of you and listen to you squeal for another hour of their time. Just tie your shoes. The sooner you do it, the sooner they can get this dealt with, the sooner you can get to jail and sober up, hopefully.
Amanda, I'm here to investigate a DWI.
Hey, look at the fire rescue back there. I just now know that I've seen this already, but look at the fire rescue back there. They're just laughing. He's like, you know what? We wouldn't even have to turn our siren on. Just put her on the hood of the car. And every time we need to turn the sirens on, tell her she's going to jail.
It's a matter because you're going to put me in jail.
I need you to perform a couple tests for me. Can you do that?
Yeah.
You can't?
What test?
Ma'am.
My girls are never going to live through this.
Yes, they will. They'll be just
No,
fine.
they won't.
Okay, Amanda, can you do those tests
I'm
for
on
me?
probation.
Okay. Well-
You guys are going to lock me up.
Well, if you pass this test, you might have a chance. You need to pass this test. So you gotta get.
Okay, why you want to lie to her for? If you pass the test, you may have a chance. You know damn well you're taking her to jail, whether she passes the test or not, because she ain't going to pass that test. I mean, I guess it's one way to calm her down. Like, give her a little bit of hope. Hey, if you pass the DUI test, we might let you go. Knowing they're not going to let her go. But as long as she thinks she's going to be let go, she might stop squealing and give everyone's ears there a little break.
All right, you gotta stop crying.
You guys are going to put me in jail.
Okay.
We'll find that out later.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you one more chance. Will you take these tests? Yes?
Holy crap, how freaking fast was she driving? So she hit that fence, knocked down part of the fence, half of her front part of her car is way over there. There's pieces over there. My God, how fast was she going? She's damn lucky there wasn't any kids out in the road playing kickball or something, or people jogging in the road. She got really, really lucky that she hit nobody. Holy crap. That's a concrete beam.
You're fine. I guess this is your house. It is my house. Good morning. Well, better than yours.
Well, yeah. I mean, at least she hit the post and didn't keep coming through the house.
That's true.
Amanda, look.
Could you imagine if that tree and the post and the fence wasn't there? She would have went straight through these people's house. Like, that is sad. It's really sad. I shouldn't be laughing. I can't help but laugh just because looking at her face, the minute she finds out that she's going to jail, she's going to start sirening off again. Oh my goodness. That was a brick beam that she legit just knocked over and everything. How did she even manage that? She must have been turning left, because it's on the left side of her car, but the fence is on the right side of her car. So my guess is she was turning left and, well, forgot to turn and hit the fence.
Amanda.
I'm looking up
No,
your
that's my pinky finger, my index finger.
Okay.
Alright. With your eyes and your eyes only, I need you to follow the tip of my pen. Do not move your head, do you understand? Do you have any questions? No? Don't move your head. Don't move your head.
I called Cheyenne and I was like, I think someone just hit you guys. This is the third time.
What?
This is the first time over here. That's time to walk out that end of it. She was in the car trying to get in it and drive off, and I said, I'm sorry. Your car's not going anywhere.
Alright. To the best of your ability, can you imagine an imaginary line straight out in front of you? On this line, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps.
No offense, officer, but how drunk she is, she can imagine anything is right there in front of her. Except being able to see the fence. She wasn't able to see that.
Anything else I can do for you this morning?
I want some coffee.
Thank you, no. All right,
I don't know if you know Cheyenne.
She's an ER nurse.
Okay.
And my girlfriend.
Okay.
And this is her father.
She just called me and she said, Eric just told me. I said, yeah, you here? She said, yeah.
That's awesome.
Amanda, I took 3 for demonstration purposes. How many steps are you going to take?
4.
Did you understand the test?
I got a step in front of myself.
Amanda, I'm going to ask you one more time. Did you understand the test?
No.
Yes? Okay.
One foot in front of the other.
Okay. At what point in time did I tell you to start the test?
You
None.
said to start off after 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay. All right. Come on back here. You can begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1006.
Uh-oh. Squealing starting again. She knows she's failing this test, and she's failing it miserably.
Amanda, continue the test.
1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. 1004, 1000.
Okay, Amanda, you can stop.
Yeah, like, that's torture for her at this point. She has no clue what she's supposed to be doing. She just knows she's supposed to be counting. Yet she stops at a certain point and recounts, and then moves up and then recounts. Like, this is torture. But the cops have to have something to laugh about. So, of course, they're going to play with her a little bit. She knows she failed. She can't be that naive to believe that she passed this and they're going to just let her go. She could barely stand up as it was. She looked like she was going to topple over backward or forward. And then she swang side to side at some point and she, wow, cannot follow simple directions. So, yeah, if she ever thought that she was going to pass this test and not go to jail, I don't even know why they gave it to her. They knew she was drunk, but I guess they have to.
Okay, Amanda, put your hands behind your back. 37. We have a T50 with 47.
I'm going to jail forever.
Wow, forever? So, yeah, at least she knows that she screwed up. Like, I think she realized she screwed up the minute she hit that guy's fence and knocked it down and pretty much totaled her car. It was just the fake crying and then the siren squealing through the whole thing. It's like, lady, you know you messed up. Deal with it and move on. Don't sit there and make it so much worse for yourself because you're not listening. You're not answering questions. You're just squealing as loud as you possibly can and pretending to cry as if that was going to cause the cop to go, oh, that's okay, ma'am. You were drinking and driving, but you're obviously distraught about it. And we think you feel bad about it. So we're just going to let you go home now. That's not what's going to happen. So acting like that is not going to get you out of a DUI. I don't think it ever has. So anybody who actually tries, you're not the first one to try it. It's not going to happen. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Be safe. I love each and every one of you.